Okay, the sprinklers at a park are supposed to turn on only when the temperature is at, meaning it includes 75, or less than 75 degrees. So when the temperature is less than or equal to 75, then the sprinklers are going to turn on. So sprinklers on. Okay? Sprinklers are on when it's less than or equal to 75 degrees. The following code is intended to print a message indicating whether or not the sprinklers are on based on the temperature. Assume that the variable degrees has properly declared and initialized outside with the outside temperature. So degrees represents the temperature outside. Now take a look at this code. Notice that if the degrees is less than 75, we're gonna print out that the sprinklers are on. Here's the problem with this. The sprinklers should be printing that they are on if the degrees is less than 75 or equal to 75. So if I test 75, it will tell me that they are off. Because when the degree is 75, is 75 less than 75? No. And so it will run the else for 75 and it'll say that the sprinklers are off when it should be saying that the sprinklers are on. So the question is asking which of the following is going to show that the code may not work as intended. And the only value that shows that it doesn't work as intended is actually 75. All other values actually work correctly. For example, if the temperature outside is 100, the sprinklers shouldn't be on. 100 less than 75, false. So then it'll say the sprinklers are off, which is correct. They should be off and they should be saying that they are off. But if I test, let's say 72, that also works correctly. 72 less than 75, true. So it'll print out that the sprinklers are on and they should be on. So the only value, because of not including the or equal to as a part of the condition, that actually doesn't work properly and doesn't work correctly is 75, which is why that's the answer.